Something I often talk about to the junior engineers in the company is the importance of attending conferences like this one, where it's an opportunity both to share a little bit of your experience, so hopefully you have a story to tell, but secondly, where you get to meet a whole bunch of people, you get to network with them, you get to share discussions, but also to possibly form friendships. And certainly in my career, I've relied very heavily over my 34 years on knowing people. So when I have a particular problem, I can often phone someone from somewhere else in the world and just say, hey, have you experienced this and what did you do about it? So it has been invaluable for me meeting with people in my particular field, and these kind of conferences are great opportunities to do that.
The speech that I'm going to be making very shortly is all about the politics of net zero and how energy policy is really going to impact industry, energy industry, but also industrial strategy. So this audience is absolutely going to be critical for the delivery of the politics of net zero.
So primarily we're a user group, so we're here to provide interesting technical content to users of power stations. To keep that integrity, we need to go through all the presentations, make sure they're of high quality, make sure they're technically interesting, but most importantly, make sure it's just not a series of commercial sales pitches.
In terms of presentations, the technical integrity of them is assured at committee meetings, and there's a mixed group of both OEMs and owners that look at these presentations to ensure that they're technically correct and have suitable information in them.
We are delighted to be part of this IMechE event. We've supported it for several years now, and we feel it attracts an excellent audience for what we're trying to do, which is grow our international footprint. So we're expecting to meet key operators in the industry across Europe and wider, and we're very pleased to say that we are doing that, and we love the informal opportunities to network as well.
The technical content has been great for me personally. It's been really useful to get that insight because as somebody who's quite new to the technology, I've read about the theory and have a basic understanding of it, but to start to get that insight into the kind of concerns that industry really has is very useful.
The industry is getting ever more fragmented, and there's not the big engineering teams that companies used to have. So events like this are more and more important for the sharing of information and the learning of information. People should come along and support, and the best way to support, we're a user group and we really do rely on users to come and present their experiences, but also the companies and service providers and manufacturers to come and tell us what they're doing as well.